Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, yes, I am definitely doing a face review. By the way, I am on my bed, so please do not judge the background as you can see. But anyways, I need to support this YouTuber, to be honest. So if I go onto YouTube, okay, so let me just move my camera a bit. Okay, now I'm going to support her by typing in this. If you want to support her and help her as well, then just copy what I type. So you're going to want to search Playful Cotton. And this picture that has like a picture of a dog holding a donut, that is her channel. And she's literally the best YouTuber ever. Like, she is my friend. This is her user. If you want to follow her, she is definitely a YouTuber. Her username is NotLeahAsh87654321. And she has so many amazing videos. So don't forget to subscribe to her channel. Oh, let's actually do that right now. I want to move my camera a bit. Yep, okay. Let's subscribe. Let's do the turn on the notification bell. Oh my god, camera. Okay. My camera's moving. Okay. Yes. And the notification bell is on. Boom. Now you can get on with the video. So today I'm going to be joining my online best friend, which is the channel that I just showed you. If you watch her channel, that will be proof of her user. But let's join my online best friend. And hopefully she doesn't get angry at me when I tell her that I'm actually recording. Hopefully she doesn't get angry, because if she gets angry, she could do something horrible. I don't know, who knows? I don't really know. But yeah. So let's go to her profile. Let's see some stuff from her profile. Yes, this is her latest video. Roblox 4 hearts with an exclamation mark. And it was from 2 days ago, and there's only 4 views. The reason why I said that I'm going to support her is because I want to help her get as many subscribers as I want. So whoever is watching me, then don't forget to subscribe, because that's one of the best things. You will literally help me. Oh my god, my volume. Okay, should I my volume? It's a bit too loud. Let's just click up some stuff. Okay, let's go ahead and teleport. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. Hello. Okay, I feel kind of embarrassed and weird at the same time. Don't break in when close. Oh, I accidentally broke in. But that's great. Hopefully she doesn't mind. Oh my god. She has a neon reindeer. I do as well. That's good. I don't know why I keep playing with my hands. Do that. Okay, I think she's AFK. Okay, that's a bit weird. By the way, look at this pile of rugs. That is so amazing. I can do gymnastics, yoga. Girl, you gotta teach me this. How did you do that? What else? What else? I love how she done these. I love how she done that. Let's just get out my reindeer. Look at that. So let's do a joy. Hi. Hi. Oh my god. I don't know if she knows that I'm recording. Oh my gosh, she's recording! Oh my gosh. Okay. I was legit saying that hopefully don't know I am recording. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so awkward. Ooh, I can edit. Let me just move my camera. I can edit, people. Yes, okay. By the way, I don't. Yes, a build up. Okay, I can edit, but I don't have a budget, which feels so weird. Okay. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I'm laying down. I feel so sick. I'm like coughing so much these days. And I don't know why I am coughing. But I just feel like legit so sick. That's why I'm laying down on my bed. Oh my god, please stop knocking! Sorry. I got some technical difficulties with my siblings. Yeah. So, what's up, girl? What's up? I'm gonna say that. What's up, girl? I feel embarrassed. What's up, girl? Hey. Oh my gosh. Hey. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god! She left the legit server. I think her phone either ran out of battery. I don't know. Let me just see what she's doing. Excuse me, what you want? Okay. Okay, she's offline. I think her phone ran out of battery. But anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye!